Alright, hey guys, this is Orlando Christmas, and, Christmas season is approaching, so I have purchased my controllers for the year. So to go along with my original two, I have bought two additional ones for a good total of four. Along with this order, I have bought, I don't know, many of you might know that Light-O-Rama now offers SPT1 and SPT2 wire to do your lighting with. So you can do like custom cables and such. They also offer the connectors, etc. So, their prices were considerably cheap compared to other places to buy. So I bought two 500-foot rolls for a total of 1,000. I also bought 7 packs of male and 7 packs of female for a total of 70 of each. Just because 64 channels, it rounds up to 70 because the packs come in numbers of 10. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and set that down. So here we go. Let's open this. So here we go. We've got the order information. Ooh, why are these all stuck here? Wow. Well, that's kind of messy. And I've had all this stuff. The order's been arrived for quite a while now. I bought this during some sale that I don't remember. I think it was a summer sale. And gosh, that was a while ago actually, come to think of it. But I got these a while ago. I just haven't opened it yet. Don't know why, really. So I'll set this down over here. Alright, 1 pack of male plugs. Another pack of male. Oh gosh, this is kind of messy. I should probably do this somewhere else, but whatever. Let's see. I gotta get this out of here. Let's see if I can set this up somewhere. Oh, perfect. I didn't realize that would actually work out so well. Okay, so let's get this. And this these packing peanuts always make a mess, so probably best to have a vacuum around when you're doing an unboxing like this. Okay, so here we go. Controller number 1. Well, it's number 3. Yeah, that'd be a better way to do this. We'll just say it's number 3. If you can, it's probably best to just kind of dust off the box over dust off whatever it is that's coming in your box. Do that over the original box. Just keeps everything neater. Twist aside here. Alright, so here we go. Control number 4. Good stuff. Now, alright, here we go. Second package of wire. So here we have wire pack number 2. So we'll leave those there. Alright, another pack of male plugs. Here we have a pack of female plugs. female plugs. Oh, are these double packs? Oh yeah, they are. Oh, that's neat. So let's see. There's 1, 2, 3. That's 60. 60, 70, and 70 of male. I don't think there's anything else in here, to be frank. So, let's just clean all this stuff up. I might keep the box and just throw the packing peanuts away. So, those are really good for nothing after you get your shipment. But boxes are good. So let me go grab a knife. I'll be right back. Yeah, I probably should have had this on hand before, but whatever. What are you gonna do, right? So, well, let's see. Is the camera even aimed right? I don't think so. There we go. Much better. Okay. So let's just start opening. And I'll probably post another video later on just doing some quick testing. That kind of good stuff. And, you know, Light-O-Rama is very good about their customer service. If you have a problem, just get in contact with them. They'll help you sort it out. Now they're doing this a little bit differently than they used to. They're using larger boxes. Because what they used to do is they would have these big boxes, but then for whatever reason, they would have another box on the inside, which didn't really make much sense. Yeah. The controllers changed a little bit too. Well, let's pull it out. Right. Nice sturdy box. Looks like they've changed their enclosures. That's certainly interesting. Looks very nice though. Give them that. Okay. Straighten all this stuff out. I presume this comes unscrewed. Yeah, it does. Alright. Oh, okay. So we've got 2 latches now. Yeah, we'll have to do that. That's okay. Well, pretty much it. It's obviously going to be the same thing in that box. So, I will post another video later explaining the whole process. So, yeah.